Welcome to today's video, me throwing my kid off a trailer. Wait a second, where did I get this car? This is my next build for this video channel, so where did I get it? Well, this is where I found it. See all this stuff? There it is. For like 35 years I've wanted this thing, and I finally got it. So this is my boy, and this is my other boy. We are going to tow this to the front of the house, clean up the yard for a couple days, and then tow this thing home. So here we go. I'll speed it up so you don't have to watch how slow it was, but we just hooked onto it with my Suburban and yanked it out of the yard. I aired up, no tires, I just dragged it, and to be honest, only one of them was flat, so that wasn't too bad. So here you go, towing it up front. First time my kid gets to drive it. You're wondering what this car is for? I'm gonna make my kids drive this to school. Why? I'm a cruel parent, I guess. I don't know. I think it's going to look cool. I have lots of plans for it. I can't wait to show you. I will not keep it original because there's no motor, there's no transmission. I think the guy bought it for the motor, ripped it out, put the motor in something else, and used that as a storage shed. As it is full of trash and things. I mean, some of it was probably valuable, but since 1974, it has sat there, and I have wanted this thing since I was in junior high, and I never could get it. Well, guess what? I got it. So we're going to do all kinds of fun stuff to it, but I think it looks really cool. I love the step van looking thing. It's a mail truck. It's right-hand steer. You don't let your kid learn on a right-hand steer, so I'm sorry for all of those I break their heart. I'm going to fix that. This is the mail truck. You get to see a little bit of it. The boarded up back window. So this is some of the pictures we took. Nobody took video, but that's okay. It was very much a storage shed and a mouse house. And you could see all the stuff in it. It was fantastic, right? Just junk everywhere, but that's okay. We were able to clean up the property, loaded up this on the trailer, the mail truck on the trailer, and towed it home. So it got to go out into the wild blue yonder. We got home. This is where I throw my kid off a trailer because that's what dads do. And I'm smart. I'm safe. I looked for cars. See? Watch. Yeah, we're safe. Oh yeah, there's no brakes. Here comes Super Dad. Going to catch him. And I caught him. And it actually rolls extremely easy for not moving since 1970s. So we took it, cleaned it all out, washed it all off, stuck it on the side of the property, and had the city called on us because it was so ugly. So I moved it to the other side of the house where we left it for months. But you can see it's actually pretty good inside. It'll be kind of fun. And I'm super excited about this build because my boy starts driving in December or November. His birthday is whenever it happens. So I've got a lot of work to do. We'll be cranking out a lot of videos on this. I hope you guys will watch this video with me. Hopefully they're better than the last set. So we'll see you soon.